Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu on a Mac without erasing the hard drive. First, we need to download the Ubuntu ISO file from the internet. There is a software called Etcher that can make bootable USB drives from ISO files. To run Etcher, we need to move it to the Applications folder. Now we can eject the Etcher installer. After the Ubuntu ISO file is finished downloading, we can make the bootable USB drive installer. Make sure you have all of the files off the drive you select because it will be erased. Hold the Option key when you reboot to get this screen. Click Try Ubuntu. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.